What would you like to do for the summer holiday? Or what do you want to do for the summer holiday? Go swimming. Go swimming. I would like to go swimming. I want to go swimming. Have a picnic. Have a picnic. I would like to have a picnic. I want to have a picnic. Borrow books. Borrow books. I would like to borrow books. I want to borrow books. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I would like to go for a walk. I want to go for a walk. Play tennis. Play tennis. I would like to play tennis. I want to play tennis. Look at art. Look at art. I would like to look at art. I want to look at art. Go kayaking. Go kayaking. I would like to go kayaking. I want to go kayaking. Ride a bike. Ride a bicycle. I would like to ride a bike. I want to ride a bicycle. Go on rides. Go on rides. I would like to go on rides. I want to go on rides. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. I would like to read the newspaper. I want to read the newspaper. Play games. Play games. I would like to play games. I want to play games. Go shopping. Go shopping. I would like to go shopping. I want to go shopping. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. I would like to watch a movie. I want to watch a movie. Look at scenery. Look at scenery. I would like to look at scenery. I want to look at scenery. Take photos. Take pictures. I would like to take photos. I want to take pictures. Go to a restaurant. Go to a restaurant. I would like to go to a restaurant. I want to go to a restaurant. Look at animals. Look at animals. I would like to look at animals. I want to look at animals. Pick fruit. Pick fruit. I would like to pick fruit. I want to pick fruit. Have a barbecue. Have a barbecue. I would like to have a barbecue. I want to have a barbecue. Learn about Canada. Learn about Canada. I would like to learn about Canada. I want to learn about Canada. What would you like to do for the summer holiday? I'd like to... What do you want to do for the summer holiday? I want to...